Have you ever wondered what motion really is? It seems simple, but physics has a surprising answer. Right now, are you moving or standing still? The answer might surprise you. Even when you feel completely still, the Earth is constantly moving around the sun. Our planet never stops moving. Every second, Earth is traveling through space around the sun. In physics, motion happens whenever an object changes its position with time relative to a reference point. Motion simply means a change in position over time. If an object's position changes as time passes, we say it is in motion. Cars, birds, footballs, and airplanes are all examples of objects in motion. Motion is everywhere around us, from moving vehicles to flying birds. Even when you're sitting still, you're moving with the Earth, the solar system, and our galaxy. You may feel stationary, but you're traveling through space along with Earth and the Milky Way. Motion is relative. Inside the bus, the passenger appears still, but to someone outside, the passenger is moving with the bus. Whether something is moving depends on who is observing it. When an object moves along a straight path, we call it linear motion. A car traveling along a straight road is an example of linear motion. Rotational motion occurs when an object spins about a fixed axis, for example, a ceiling fan. A reference point helps us decide whether an object is moving or at rest. That's why physicists use reference points to describe motion accurately. Not all motion happens in a straight line. The moon moves around the Earth in a circular path. When an object moves around another object, we call it circular motion. Motion that repeats in a regular back and forth pattern is known as oscillatory motion. A pendulum moves back and forth repeatedly. Gas particles move randomly in all directions. This is known as random motion. Motion isn't limited to vehicles and planets. Even plants move in response to their environment. Sunflowers slowly turn towards sunlight, showing that motion can happen over long periods of time. One of the most important motions in nature is Earth's revolution around the sun. Earth completes one orbit around the sun every 365 days. Earth also rotates on its axis once every 24 hours, creating day and night. The sun appears to move across the sky because Earth is constantly rotating. So, is the train moving? The answer depends on your reference point. To a passenger inside, the train may seem still. To someone outside, it's clearly moving.